Hi, I'm Magi Helena. Have you been around the dating block long enough now that you're tired of having to invest weeks or even sometimes months of phone calls, texts, emails, and dates just to find out if there's any potential with a person or not? Wouldn't it be great if you could find out right now if a person is worth even getting to know at all? You can. My instant Date-Fax report gives you the basic potentials in any relationship, whether or not you've even met yet. It's like a Carfax, and no, you don't need a fax machine. All you do need is their date of birth, nothing else. Now, there's lots of cookie-cutter astrology relationship reports out there. Did you know that almost every report sold on every website is generated from the same old software using the same old unproven astrology generalities? My Love Stars reports are different. They are uniquely about the two of you. They are the only reports using proven star science, and they are only available here from me. I spent years developing my Love Stars reports, and I didn't stop refining my formulas until they reached 95% accuracy based on a large pool of relationships with known outcomes. With my Date-Fax, you can get the real truth about your basic relationship potentials with anyone. My Date-Faxes are 100% money-back satisfaction guaranteed, so you can try one risk-free. Try a Date-Fax today, and you'll also get a free 1-month personal love calendar to get your personal right timing for love. Is it real love, just a hot date, or a heartbreak? Find out now.